Hello and welcome back to my channel. I love 164. Today we are unboxing the mini GT Kaido House Chevrolet Silverado. So this one is having a very normal packing, and those who previously saw my videos know that I cut these before the video because I don't want to hurt my fingers. So we are having a bit of detailing here. I like this one actually. This looks cool. This looks really cool. Oh wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is the kind of cars, the trucks I really like. This is because see, this is very like stock, but not stock. We know it's from the Kaido House, but I mean, I don't have words to say about this. This is so damn amazing. The color scheme, the deco, the wheels are so amazing. And we are having Yokohama here on these wheels as well. The back details are very great. We have on the number plate, it says get paid. Look at that front grille. The front grille and the logo of the Chevrolet is so down there. This is sick, man. This is sick. The interior is really good, light brown kind of color it is. And here we have Kaido House logo on the back as well. I'm sorry for that. I guess in the Kaido House we know that bottoms are quite different than usual in the GTs. The rear end's open, and I think the front also open for this car. Just check. Okay, just fall off. I need to brake. I broke it. Oh my god. This is the first time happened on my video. But it's okay. Let's keep carrying. Okay, so here is the engine detailing. We are having Kaido House on the engine as well. And there is so much stuff. I think it's a twin turbo engine. It was quite a bummer that I broke this one up. Man, shit. This is the bumper. It took a really good hit actually. I hope nothing else broke off. Yeah, everything else looks fine. No problem. I'll stick it with the glue. And yes, these Kaido House cars roll really perfect. It looks really perfect. This is still a bummer. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next one.